Lighting adds beauty and emphasis to any outdoor space. Light Symphony adds control, which makes it a pleasure to live with. The modular system allows you to select only the features you'd like. For example, let Light Symphony's gate sensor welcome you home by bringing your lights gently to life as you drive in. Or use the intelligent timers that track dusk and dawn times throughout the year to ensure lighting is only on when you need it. Enjoy the outdoor freedom that the wireless remote control offers. Add a wall switch. This tiny module can be wirelessly installed without disrupting your decor and can even be adapted to match your existing switches. Or how about the impressive Picture Touch panel? For the ultimate in tailor-made simplicity. Just touch the picture to bring your garden to life. Or enjoy the convenience of our free iPhone app called iSymphony, which allows you to neatly personalize the button labels to suit your lighting scheme. Light Symphony's powerful lighting controllers can simplify the outdoor installation too. The clever wireless system can reduce or even eliminate expensive buried cabling. From 10 lights to 10 acres. Whatever size project you're planning and whatever your preferences, the modular Light Symphony system can be built around your needs and budget. Let Light Symphony bring your lights to life.